Hi, and welcome to Fred Builds Bikes. It's been a lot of rain this week. Unfortunately, the repairs on my pants weren't enough, so I got soaked. So, I've had to repair the Velcro, and I've also had to re-waterproof these pants. So, here's some footage of the sewing. I wasn't going to subject you to several hours of sewing by hand, so I cut to the end. Okay, with the sewing done, test the Velcro and take it outside for waterproofing. So of course, today's the one day we actually haven't had a lot of rain, so I haven't had a chance to test the waterproofing on these pants yet. I'm hoping that's all it needs doing. Also, with all the rain, I found the clutch cable that I just fixed, the clutch switch. That one has stopped working again, so I'm probably going to have to buy a new switch. That's probably a project for early next year when parts are more readily available. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, please feel free to leave a like. Subscribe if you want, and if you really want to see every video and make sure you never miss one, hit the bell. You get a notification about once a week that I've got a new video up. I'll leave a link to the relevant blog post in the description, not just a link to the blog. Feel free to share the blog. I've been doing a lot of woodworking, so I haven't had a lot of time for working on bikes. Please feel free to check out my woodworking blog as well as quite an epic table saw build that I'm doing there. Looking at maybe starting a YouTube series or YouTube channel for that one next year. Keep an eye out if that's the sort of thing you're into. Again, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.